In this video, I'll show you how to set up a TikTok pixel on Shopify. Start by signing into your Shopify admin dashboard. Next, click Settings in the bottom left corner, then select Apps and Sales Channels. After that, open the TikTok sales channel. If you haven't installed it yet, add the TikTok app from the Shopify App Store. Now click Open Sales Channel and sign into your TikTok Ads Manager account when prompted. Next, connect the correct TikTok business account and TikTok Ads Manager account. After that, go to the Data Sharing section and choose your preferred tracking level. For the most complete tracking, select Maximum if it's available. Now select an existing TikTok pixel or click Create New Pixel to generate a new one directly from Shopify. Next, complete the remaining setup steps and click Finish Setup to connect your Shopify store to TikTok. After that, visit your online store and perform actions such as viewing a product, adding an item to your cart, or beginning checkout to generate pixel events. Finally, open TikTok Ads Manager, go to Assets, then Events, and verify that your TikTok pixel is receiving events from your Shopify store. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up a TikTok pixel on Shopify. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.